I'm Jackie from We Make Space.
And I'm Michelle from We Make Space.
And today we just wanted to introduce ourselves, let you know a little bit about ourselves and what we do. So we're a decluttering and organising consultancy consisting of us two.
Where we come into your house, see any areas of your life, in your wardrobe, in your cupboards, in your garage, anywhere which is causing you not to be at ease and to feel calm. We declutter. I'm really the declutterer.
She's the declutterer.
She's the organiser. So that's how we work. And do you want to tell them about what we offer?
Yeah, so we do a free 45-minute consultation. So we come into the house, check out the space, or if it's the wardrobe, if it's a sort of pre-baby session you're doing, we come in, have a chat to you and whoever else is in the house is affected by the space, and then we come up with a bit of an action plan to help you kind of create the space and the life that you want. So yeah, get in touch.
Yeah, you can either give us a call, you'll find our number on the website, or send us an email. It's wemakespace.co.uk. We look forward to hearing from you.